How to convert PDF file directly in Excel. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to see a simple trick with which you can directly convert PDF file like this, where we have a particular assignment just like this format directly into Excel without the need to use any kind of third-party application. So we will do it in Microsoft Word 2024. So if you don't have it installed, you can follow the link in this description. I've shared you the whole procedure. I have attached the link to that video where you can install the latest version of Microsoft Office 2024. So already, if you're using that latest version, just open the Word app. First of all, we need to convert this file into Word. So let's click on open here and just browse the location. So this is my location right here. Just select this PDF file. Now it will directly show you this message. Word will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. That is perfect. This might take a while, and you will be amazed that when you click OK, it is able to directly convert the PDF document without any need of third-party application directly into the Word. So once we are in the Word, then we can easily convert it in Excel. Now it might take you some time to convert the PDF document into Word depending on your system speed. Now once you have your data in Microsoft Word, just select this from the corner. As we can see here, this special sign marked with the 4 arrows. Just select this and it will select the whole data here, or not exactly the whole data, just it will select the first page or a first half page. Just copy this and now just open Excel sheet and just paste it right here. And as we can see here that without any support of third-party application, it is showing data almost perfectly. You just have to work on the spacing and you're good to go. Same thing, let's continue and let's just select this part now, and it is selected up till the bottom, and let's paste it right here, and we can see that it's showing it properly as well. Just you have to do a little bit of adjustments and you are good to go. It's showing almost perfectly. So like this. So as we can see here, again, it's showing the data almost perfectly. So this is how you do it. If you select and adjust the column sizes, it will show you perfectly. So that's it, guys. This is how you can directly convert the PDF file into the Excel with just the support of Microsoft Word and without using any third-party applications. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, comment down below if it works for you, and I will see you in the next one.